Now, the conditional formatting can be applied to cells, rows, or columns to change text or background color if they meet certain conditions. For example, if they contain a certain word or a number. So, on our spreadsheet, we have to select the cells we want to apply format rules to. Like on our example, we have here our expenses from Monday to Sunday. We have to select the range of cells from B2 until B8. Then you have to click on Format menu, then the conditional formatting. Okay? A toolbar will open to the right. So like this. We have to create a rule. Okay, we have two tabs here, single color and the color scale. Single color, under format cells if choose the condition. So we have to apply the format to the range of cells. Okay, by default, the range of cells are the cells that are being selected from B2 until B8. Then under the format rules, format cells if, for example, okay, we have many options here. If is empty, not empty, text contains, text does not contain, or text start with, or date, or we can have greater than or equal to, is equal to, is not between, or we can customize the formula. Now for our example, let's try to highlight the cells with the price of greater than 500. So we have to select the rule greater than or equal to. Okay, so for example, you have to highlight the value of cells. I mean the cells having the value of greater than 500. And we have to choose the color of red. Okay, then done. Right. So as you can see, the cell at B8 has been highlighted with a red color since the value is greater than 500. For example, if we are going to modify the prices on Saturday, like 300 for the fare since you're going to Simala, and there you have the total of 960. Now go back to the summary. Okay, Sunday. Okay, let's try Saturday, Sunday. Oh, so for example, we have to modify on Saturday 300, 400 for the snacks, and lunch is 150. So the total is 1,000. Now, looking at the summary, the sum of the expenses for Saturday is 1,025 and it's being highlighted with red. The format has been applied since it satisfies the condition of greater than 500. Okay? Now, you can apply the formatting rule to other um, examples like highlighting the grades of students of less than 75 with red color. And those students with greater than or equal to 95 will be highlighted with green color. Okay, something like that.